So I know I may be late to the game on this, but comment down below if you have any goals for 2020. Hey, what's up y'all? It's me, Jenny here. So today I want to talk about the goals I have for this year, which is 2020. If you want to know what they are, please keep watching. My first goal, well, it's actually a family goal of mine, and it's Ender's goal as well, is that we want to buy a home. So right now we are renting a small little apartment, but if you guys have been following me for a long time, is that I now have a baby, and with a baby comes a family, and also we need space. So our goal right now is to try to buy a home and we can have the space so little Kyler can run around. The second goal that I have, so this was actually last year's goal, which I did not complete, is I have this hobby called diamond painting. So if you don't want to know what it is, it's like you paste diamonds onto a image, and I have completed only like less than half. So this is a diamond painting that was supposed to be a gift for Ender for his birthday back in October, and I actually started March of last year, but because I didn't realize that motherhood was so busy, I was only able to complete this only this much from March to October. That's how long I've been working on it, and this is only how much I was able to complete. This is a Captain America logo, or the shield, because Ender loves Captain America. If he could, he would be Captain America. And for Halloween, Kyler was Captain America because Ender just loves Captain America. So I want to finish this before we move, because I mean, let's get real here, we can't live in this size apartment for a long time, so we're gonna have to move regardless. And my goal is to finish this diamond painting before we move. And the last goal that I have for 2020 is that I want to read more. So I will link a whole bunch of cards. I did a whole bunch of Amazon hauls, and I purchased a ton of books, and I want to be able to read these books. Now, I don't think I'll be able to read the books that I bought all within 1 year, unless if I have like a permanent babysitter for Kyler, like every day, which is not a good thing. So anyways, I mean, I want to read when I can, and I think like a reasonable time to finish a book is at least one book every 2 months. I mean, with the fact that I'm also filming and I'm editing and I've got this diamond painting to finish, that doesn't leave a lot of time for myself. So I think one book every 2 months is a good timeline for me. So that's 6 books. 6 books I have to finish by 2021. And there you have it. That is everything that I want to complete in 2020. Like I said at the very beginning, comment down below what your goals are. I would love to hear what they are. Anyways, I will sign out now, so please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe all down below, or you can catch me on my social media, which is right here. That's at kiss.jennie. That's spelled kiss.jennie, Jenny with an IE. Or if you want to subscribe to my channel, click on my face right here. Or if you want to catch me in my last video, click right here. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.